Okay guys, so we got a new day going on here. Unsuspected day. I didn't know if we were gonna work on the hatch tonight or not. But my cute little buddy showed up right here. Look at this little broken Giggles. It's Giggles. Okay. A big old booty. So, on today's video, we're gonna be doing is fixing this motherfucking door handle. This shit is like, look at this shit. Quick release, my nigga. Boom! So, I've been having to leave the fucking hatch inside, which I really don't mind doing that. But it's been a bitch when I gotta roll up the windows and I can't get inside my fucking car. So, I got new fucking handles. We're also gonna spray these bad boys right here, these fucking moldings, because I ended up stripping all the old rubber shit off. Yeah, so we're gonna be doing that. My buddy, isn't this nigga cute as fuck? Look at this nigga. He's so sexy. Stop giggling and say something. Say something, a word. I need a word. This motherfucker. First is good morning, then it's good afternoon. But, fuck it. We're gonna get it. We might do a little bit of adjusting on the suspension. I did get new wheels. I'm not sure if I want to show you guys that, but fuck, I don't give a fuck. Here you go. So I got some wheels from my homeboy. These are the Koenig wheels. They're kind of like CE28 replicas. I was gonna do real wheels on this car, but I'll get into that after this. Give me a second. Peace. Oh shit, my bad. So I ended up getting new wheels for my homeboy, Doritos. I fucking love you so much. I appreciate it. I told this guy that I wanted to get a track set up, and he actually had these wheels laying around. So as a good friend, he was like, yo, I want to support the build. I want to look out for you. I can't really help you with the car and stuff like that. If you guys don't know, that is Doritos' hatch right there. I actually painted that hatch for him. Fucking super dope hatch. Badass. Fucking love this dude. But yeah. I ended up painting his car, and he always wanted to help me out with my cars, but he couldn't actually help me out because of his work schedule, his life, his wife, his kids, and so that's all. From the bottom of his heart, he hit me up. He was like, hey, dude, I know you're trying to do like a track setup. I know you don't want to do the slam look for too long, but I have a set of wheels. You can have them. I didn't expect that from him, but man, people have been coming out of the woodworks to try to help me build this car. They know I wasn't even trying to build another car, but everyone is coming out to help me out. Also, my homeboy Edgar hit me up and he was like, yo, for that track setup, you're gonna need some tires. So he actually had these laying around and he was like, yo, come pick them up. Like I said, I cannot believe all these people are coming out of the woodworks to help me out to build this with Chad, Doritos, Tristan. I mean, Tristan is just blessing me with that view. Check out that ass. Look at that ass. Who wouldn't want that ass right there? Nigga, say something and stop giggling. Oh my God. But yeah. So right now what we're gonna be doing the door handle. I'm gonna hit you with some time lapse and some slow-mo so you guys can see that sexiness. I'll see you guys in a bit. Peace! Tristan, what are you doing right now? Speak to me, buddy.
I took the key cylinder out of the old stock one and putting it back into the new. And sometimes the aftermarket clips are a pain in the ass, so we're gonna see which one works better. Okay, I'm gonna use the OEM one.
OEM one seems like it's better.
Yeah.
Okay, so it went in. Do you have to click it in like that?
Yeah. So it's good to go.
That's it?
Yep.
That's all it is?
Yep.
Alright guys, so we ended up getting this side done. Iron Man ended up finishing it. So, looks good. Finally we got a door handle on this side. We got the neighborhood kids over here. Say what's up, guys.
Hi. I'm on YouTube.
But yeah, we're gonna end up doing this side. Oh, giggles. But he's doing this side. We might time lapse it. We'll see. This motherfucker knows what he's doing. There you go. Alright, so on my car, this lock right here is actually broken, so I'm gonna be hitting the junkyard up and getting this whole assembly piece off of another car. Oh damn, this shit is so nasty. I'm about to rip this shit the fuck off. But yeah, I'm gonna have to replace this because this bullshit right here is broken. But door handles are in. Super happy about that. Now I can get in and out of my car. So plan is, I'm gonna get the rear suspension on the hatch adjusted. We're gonna pull the camber out, lift the rear end. Should be cool. So I'll see you guys in a bit. So this is what we're working with right now. We ended up trying to get it as flush as we can. I'm gonna pull out the camber just a little bit. We're just doing minor adjustments. I am gonna get this car a full alignment. And a buddy of mine, Giovanni, will actually align it better for me and make sure the camber is all straight and stuff like that. But I'm just trying to get it done by eye right now. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and lift it up, pull the camber a little bit out. I don't want to be tucking no tire at all. I actually wanted to be sitting directly above it, but it's looking good. Not too bad, my friends. Not too bad. So yeah, we got it going. Tristan's gonna head out. Tristan, thank you so much. Thank you so much for all your help, my friend. Got the door handles in, happy. I'm probably gonna do the door panels tomorrow, I'm not sure. But the way we're gonna do it, it's actually gonna take a lot of patience, adhesive, and a plastic welder. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that tomorrow. Okay, so hopefully you guys like this last minute video. I wasn't expecting to do this, but fuck it. Tristan ended up coming over, and like I said, I'm not the one to do door handles and shit like that. I think that's fucking super annoying shit. And especially after the roof, he was supposed to help me with that, and he didn't. Neither did Bruce. He kind of owed me. Nah, I'm just kidding. But as you guys saw, we ended up readjusting the suspension on one side of the hatch. We're gonna adjust it again so we can do the other side, and then the front. It's gonna be a little bit tough. I ended up getting some, like you guys saw, some NTO1s, Nitos, 225 45s. Yes, a little bit more of a beefy tire, no homo. Yeah, so we're gonna see how we're gonna fit it on this hatch. It should be pretty easy. I've seen some people do it before. Hopefully you guys like this video. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Share. Don't be stingy. Don't be an asshole. Show your friends. This is what we do. You guys, people on my Instagram have been asking me about this shit left and right. Oh, how do you do this? How do you do that? How do you do this? I love answering. This is me answering with videos. If you guys want to know anything, comment. Let me know. Subscribe. Share it. Let's do it, bro. This hatch is gonna be some shit. Y'all gonna see. Y'all sleep on this nigga. Don't sleep on me like Bruce sleeps. But we're gonna get this shit. Peace.